I'm Sherwin Damdar, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
And I'm Yoder, Applications Engineer for our hydraulic and molded rubber team.
And we're here to talk about some of the problems you might see when operating hydraulic presses and plunger pumps. So Brett, tell me, if I'm an operator or if I'm maintaining plunger pumps or hydraulic presses in an industrial plant, what are some of the problems I might face?
The first problem is you're going to see leakage, and that means there's going to be a deeper problem. And you get leakage from a couple different areas. You could have misalignment with the cylinder inside the stuffing box. You could also have burrs and or gouges in either the cylinder or the bore, where that would give a leak path or damage your packing, so there is another leak path. And also, even with the best maintained presses, which they're all old, you're not buying a press all the time, you can have resurface it and grind it down, and now you've got a bigger packing area that you need to seal, and so your 3/8 inch packing is no longer going to seal like it used to, so you're going to need something bigger.
So it sounds like there could be a variety of problems. So tell me, how can Garlock help to solve these problems?
We have plenty of solutions. The most trusted brand out there, Chevron, is a Garlock product. So whenever you hear Chevron, it's Garlock. We can use all of our material science, which is both elastomers, which is rubber, fabrics, and our PTFEs and other polymers to design a customized set for customers directly for their application problem. So we have many sizes. We've got multiple materials that we can create, that we can put together to seal off the most challenging applications.
Thanks for sharing those insights.